But welding sounds stronger. Why would there be a problem with that?
So welding might sound strong, but we're talking about industrial levels, but not for a pedestrian door for houses, pedestrian doors and gates for bigger houses and bigger community HOAs. When it comes down to big structure like airplane hangars and airport gates, yes.
Skyscrapers.
Yeah, then you need welding because you're gonna need probably your frame's gonna look like this, right? But when it comes to a gate or a fence, you don't need welding. And the reason why, because in the market you're using not the crazy thicknesses. I mean, this is pretty good thickness, 125 volts, but most of the vendors use really slim gauges. Now, if you took a welded material and you wanted to weld it, you pretty much are left with almost no aluminum on the weld point. So it can crack and break, right? Because aluminum is very flexible material and very light material and very delicate when it comes to welding. And if you don't have a heavy beef surface to weld, which is bingo good, but you'll have a snake. And the snake, you don't want to see that. It's ugly. And if you're going to polish that snake, you're back down to ground zero. That means that gate frame can just break over time. From a standpoint of engineering, a gate that is conducted like our HD, where you have the internal supports, the internal supports are what taking the load and not the gate frame. And if you got them from 316 gauge and you have them right done with an engineer as like Aluglobus does, you basically broken the statement that welding is better. Yes, it is better when it comes to have really fat gauges, but what we're using and what the industry uses, you don't want to weld.